The Bank of Jamaica, BOJ, and the Jamaica Bankers Association say they're working closely to restore access to cash and other banking services in areas hardest hit by Hurricane Melissa. The BOJ says critical payment systems, including its real-time gross settlement RTGS system, remain operational. To this end, the central bank has suspended fees charged to banks for fund transfers through the RTGS and expects the benefit to be passed on to customers. The BOJ says it's also in discussions with deposit-taking institutions to explore additional temporary relief measures for customers and businesses in hurricane-ravaged areas. And some businesses in Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth are preparing to reopen, but as you'll hear in this report, it's proving to be costly.
The stench of stagnant water hangs heavy in the air along sections of the business community in Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth. What was once a bustling business strip now sits under a film of brown, murky water. Piles of soaked goods stacked near the doorways, their value washed away by flood waters as Hurricane Melissa tore through the area.
This is going to take you a long time to come back.
Maybe 1 year, 2 years ago, but you see everything martial.
Amid the chaos, one man believed to be the owner of the business crouches near the storefront, wiping down an object as if cleaning it might somehow reverse what's been lost. Around him, workers worried about the future of their jobs.
Everyone who has their work and knowing they don't know when they are going to be able to put back food on their table and to fund their families and everything. It is a hard thing to even process as a person.
For many business owners here, Melissa's passage was not just a natural disaster, it was a financial blow. Small business owner Marsha tells us the struggle is far from over. She's already lost so much and now finds herself spending more than $100,000 to start cleaning up the mess Hurricane Melissa left behind.
We need help. My 2-door leak off, the water come 4 feet high, me lose my 2 computers, all my cigarettes, all my phone cards. It's terrible.
Meanwhile, CW&J Cooperative Credit Union's regional manager says they're working to reopen quickly as they're aware of the community's urgent need.
We're trying to open to our members come Monday. As you can see, we have done, put a little marl in the road so that we can serve our members, because it's critical for us to get food to them, get water to ensure that, they can put on their roof.
However, Mays Hales, regional manager for JTA Cooperative Credit Union, says it's a different story. There's still no clear timeline for when operations will resume.
Every section, it is just, even the fridge, everywhere the mud is, it is catastrophic inside here. I don't know when we'll get back together, but we're going to try. We're going to try.
Antonia Atkinson, TVJ News.